All right, folks, you know what time it is. The pepperheadsavage gardener can't wait. So what I got here are this is just a few of my buckets I used last year from planting. I'm gonna use the same soil that I used last year. It's still perfectly good. And this is just a test right now because I'm not gonna put everything out, but I'm gonna put one out, get it to start on the season and see how well it goes. So I'll just take this one right here. We're gonna get her all set up. Get that stuff broken up. And get a few peppers out here to start the season off. Let's go grab some peppers now. Now what I have here is a bunch of ghost peppers. Those are seeds from my plants from last year, from my peppers from last year. And this here is a new strain I'm going. These here are apocalypse scorpions and Trinidad. Those are going to be some new ones I'm going to do. These are the same thing, but these here are the ones I'm going to keep growing indoors for the whole season. But these guys going out and these are going out. But just to test them out first, I'm going to start with these here, these ghost peppers. So I'm going to get back to you guys once I get this tray outside because I can't do the camera and the tray at the same time. Now if you noticed here, how I got a bunch in a pod just like this, that's because I had so many seeds and I didn't really want to waste anything, so I just planted them all. And a lot more than I expected actually sprouted up. So right now it's going to be survival of the strongest, you know, survival of the fullest right here. I'm going to plant a few of these in my little pot here to see how the season do. Might be too early, it may not be. I'm just so excited to get everything going. But we're going to see here what we get going, guys. I'm gonna go grab the tripod so I can put this on the tripod and you guys can watch me plant my little babies. I mean, I'm just gonna plant a couple of them. It's not gonna be much. Now what I'm going to show you is like real simple. If you can, just like make sure you got like 2 popsicle sticks. 2 flat sticks is basically what I'm going to use here. And we're going to pull this whole thing out without messing up the others or squishing the bottom of them or tampering with the roots. What you want to do is go all the way down on one side of it, and then on the other side get all the way to the side walls and all the way down. Close them kind of together, hold them like so, and just pull up like so. Now what you want to do is go ahead and stick them where you're going to plant it. I'm sticking mine in right here. Go ahead and make you a hole or something. This is an old little yard light. Just push your little hole down in there like that right there. Keep holding it like this and just drop the whole thing in and cover it up like that. I'm going to put more than one in a bucket. That's why I put it that far to the side, but this demonstration was just to show you guys how to transplant your seedlings from the starter pots to a pot. Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.